It's very easy when you wake up first thing in the morning to start to give your attention to the thoughts, all of the thoughts that are telling you the things that need to be fixed about you, your life, what's wrong, what's not working. We've got to find a solution for this, this, and this, and this. And that's the norm. And that's how most minds work. It's called being in a human body, right? There's nothing abnormal about that. There's nothing wrong with you. It's the norm. Where things can be different is what you choose to give attention to first thing in the morning. That's where things can change. And that's where the trajectory of your entire day can shift. What am I choosing to give my attention to first thing in the morning? I have a brilliant exercise that I'm going to give for the Scorpios, which will be available in your membership today. And the exercise is all about how to give your attention to what it is that you love most and how to make sure that that is something that you're doing every single morning moving forward.